Can we talk for a second? Your audience doesn't need another how-to or step-by-step training video. I mean, seriously. Your audience can YouTube, they can go on Google and search it up, and they can even go to ChatGPT for whatever it is that you keep providing for them in these informational and how-to videos that you keep recording and posting on LinkedIn. They can find this information in minutes. So why is it that you keep creating how-to tutorials or step-by-step trainings that really do not set you apart from anyone else, and they don't make you look like an expert? Yes, you are sharing statistics, and that is great. Yes, you're giving all this information, and you think you look like a thought leader, but thought leadership is not how to or step-by-step training videos. What your audience can't Google is you. And if you are a founder, a woman executive, or a consultant that wants to build a personal brand, they can't Google you and get you in these how-to training videos. They can't Google your expertise, your uniqueness, the things that make you and build your personal brand. They can't get that. So when you keep on creating these how-to videos, that doesn't do anything for your personal brand. It just says that you know how to regurgitate and tell them something that they can go and Google. The lessons that you've learned, your personal experiences, the results that your clients get, those things make you you and set you apart. And that's what building a personal brand is all about. So instead of stuffing your content with more information, share the things that you know that they want to hear about. Share the things about how where they are right now, that emotional aspect of where they are right now and where they can be when they work with you, and walk them through that process. This is that relatable stuff that you want. They don't want anything that has to do with a step by step because they're hiring you to do the work for them. So why would they want that? Share the wins, the life lessons, and the struggles. Those are the things that make you the thought leader and move you out of just the expert title. So before you hit record, ask yourself, am I looking like someone who is inspiring change, a thought leader, or am I just looking like Googleina, where someone can go get more information and regurgitate it and leave it out of their brain and forget about it? Because listen, your audience deserves you, and they deserve better than more statistics, more spouting of the same crap that they get when they hit Google or YouTube. So let's stop with the information dumps and create impacting videos that allow you to look like a thought leader so you can start booking more clients and making more money.